And now it's time for West Bengal. And every time we talk about West Bengal and elections in West Bengal, violence is something that comes to the fore. In fact, violence has also marked the phase one of the Lok Sabha elections in West Bengal, as clashes did in fact erupt between the workers of the Trinamool Congress and the BJP in Cooch Behar. Now, reports have indicated that at least one individual was injured in the skirmish near Chandmari, with instances of stone throwing also being reported. Additionally, a crude bomb was also discovered at the residence of a BJP booth president in Dinhat as well. Now, the Election Commission of India has deployed 112 companies of Central Armed Forces to Cooch Behar constituency, marking the highest security presence among the 3 seats in Bengal which are voting today.
कुछ बिहार में तो हम लोग देखे हैं जो लोग टीएमसी का जो नेता जो जिस तरह का भाषा इस्तेमाल करते हैं, और हमारे भाजपा के मंत्री, पूर्व मंत्री और अभी जो प्रार्थी है हमारे निशित प्रामाणिक जी को किस तरह आक्रमण किए, तो ये तो हम लोग बार बार देखे हैं। और इस तरह का सरकार के तरफ से इस तरह का अगर लोग रहेगा तो ये लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन ही होगा। लेकिन पुलिस को उचित था सख्त ये से हाथ से इसको संभाले, लेकिन पुलिस, ममता का पुलिस कंप्लीटली निष्क्रिय है।
See, today we have seen that ever since 6 a.m. in the morning, both the parties have alleged that there has been reports of violence, allegations and counter-allegation from both TMC and BJP side. Somewhere TMC have said that their election office has been burned by the BJP miscreant. Somewhere BJP complained that their party office has been burned down by TMC miscreant. In fact, we have seen one voter who was returning after casting his vote in Shitalkuchi. He fell under a situation where stone pelting was going on, and he have received injury in one of his eyes. There is serious injury that has been reported. We have also seen that in Chandramari area there was stone pelting between both the groups, the TMC and the BJP. So there has been report of multiple violence taking place in Cooch Behar especially. Remember, today 3 seats are going to poll in West Bengal: Alipurduar, Cooch Behar and Jalpaiguri. Now remember, when it comes to Cooch Behar, it is a very important seat because BJP's Nishit Pramanik, who is also the Union Minister of State, is the sitting MP and has been refielded by the BJP this time. Now remember, Cooch Behar has a history of poll violence. We have seen in the 2021 assembly elections with the Shitalkuchi incident where 4 people have lost their lives after we have seen that there was alleged shots that was fired by the Central Armed Forces. Now this time around we see a similar incident of violence in Cooch Behar once again.